What's going on YouTube? It is Trucks of Fortune time, which is the same as Trucks of Freedom, just not in July. Now, if you're unfamiliar with TOF, it is a pre-packaged ordeal. You do not pick a combination. You're guaranteed either an RTR kit and then upgrade parts that work alongside with the RTR kit. Some of them are special colors, which makes things a little cool. Like in July, I got the Carmen kit, the Riots, the brass portal covers, which those Riots are on my 10-1 as of now, but that's in July. Let's get this puppy opened. This came while I was at work. While I was leaving the parking lot, I got the notification that it has been delivered. So that was an exciting drive home. I'm gonna be curious on what we get this time compared to what we got in July. We might do it the same way. Okay. I kind of want to do it the same way. Again, we're starting off with a bunch of packing paper. Right on top. So, with that being said, and I think it's safe to say that we're not getting a kit because this box is a little too big for a kit, and the whole weight thing, it would be too heavy. It was like 12 something, so unless if they threw a bunch of stones in there, I don't think it's a kit. Okay. You know what we get in July? Paper first. Not as much. Okay. Not as much packing paper. Oh. Oh shit, we got our first thing. Okay, that's cool. Hold up. What was buried in said packaging paper, we got one of the coins, which is like a little poker chip. That's cool. The detail on that. Welcome. That's awesome. That looks really cool. I like that a lot. Man, details on that thing, man. That looks sweet. Okay. Oh. I'm not going around the box. Oh, I feel a bag. Feel a bag. Oh, okay. I've seen a grill, so I believe I know what this is now. We got a bag of parts that we're gonna open up real quick. And I'm going to go through that one by one. Oh, we even get a card as well. That's cool in the pink. That looks dope. I thought you would either get like the card and the chip, not both, but I ain't complaining. Got the pink and the blue. That's really like reflective and shiny. Vanquish Project Trucks of Fortune 2024, which was this Tuesday's live stream that I managed to hop on and hop off and hop back on. We got a VFD Hertz Dig unit, which I don't know if that's a special color or not. I'm inspecting. It looks like it. Kind of looks like a dark earth, and plus there's no label on the back, so indication that it is not a normal production color. There you go. I haven't had Dig in a rig before. Well, this will be the first. I thought about it with the Ripper, but it has crossed my mind. Oh, we got a gear set. We got the machine spool as well, which looked like they were gonna put some other sticker on it, but put that over top. We have to do that sometimes as well. What else do we got here? We machined 30 tooth ring and spool. Obviously, the spool has no teeth, but you know what I mean. Yo, part number for that. I forgot about the other one. There you go. For that as well. They don't say front or rear, so this is 38, well 30T8, and the other one I can't see because the screws are in the way. We got some brass clamp rings, which I don't know which one, because I know VP has two. This is the .8 wide. I had to look at it real quick because I know they have two. They have the .0 and .8, which I believe the .8's their wider one, or is it the other one? I've been up since 5 in the morning. My knowledge could be all over the place. There we go. We also get an aluminum grill. And we get a Vanquish Products parts mat. That's kind of dope. We're upgrading from the little magnetic tray. Definitely this will come in handy. I know Reef's parts tray, it's weird. I mean, I get it, you want it to look like your logo, but at the same time, really? No. Yeah, that's a good amount of parts. We got some machine gears. We have, I think that's like a dirt earth dig. We got some brass clamp rings, an aluminum grill, which that grill is kind of a giveaway of what the rig is. For those of you who know, for those of you who have never seen that before, okay, let's put all these goodies aside. I do really like that green coin. We got the card and the green coin. TOF sells quick. Like, it's ridiculous. They were joking around on the stream. It's like, yeah, it will last for the rest of the stream. Because they put some up. This is like, I clicked off the stream, got mine, went back. Because I knew there wasn't going to be any last bad time. The stream was over. Okay, now for... There's going to be no way of me not being tired. Oh, I feel more things. That's just not everything. I feel more things. Oh yes, I totally forgot about Wheels of Fortune. Wheels of Fortune. Which... I seen the black bag because there's a hole in the corner of my box. So, seen the bag. Okay. Same thing. I'm not gonna look. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Ooh. Those are real nice. Got some dark blue outer beadlock rings. I wonder what color our wheels are gonna be to go along with that. There should be hubs in here as well. I feel the wheels. Yeah, there's the hubs. Got some SLW hubs as well. Go. Okay, now for the wheels. Boom. Ooh. I don't know what wheels these are. 105s? No. Oh, someone will correct me on that, but those wheels look nice. I like that blue a lot, and obviously there's a corresponding pair inside the bag as well. Definitely cool. Starting to get a little bit of a rare wheel collection going on. Okay, now we can. There's gonna be no way of me not being able to not look and take this out, because we got the Vanquish optic as our truck. I've been contemplating about one of these. I have, because the only really other trail buggy I have is the Bomber, which is still yet to be put together. But I have other projects that have been like taking my money and time, so I haven't had time to put it together and work on top of that. But yeah, that is sweet. This is another video, so that will be good. Even though I have two others that need to be finished, like the rest of the comp footage I have, which is just 2 runs, because as you guys seen in the last comp video, I had spur gear problems, so it's just mine and my buddy's run, and then I have the slider to finish, the TGH slider. But yeah, that's super sweet. Have another trail truck. Don't know if it's gonna be going through everything and anything like my 10-1, but I might go through everything but the mud in the water. The closest water it might get is snow, which is cold water. Or frozen water, sorry. Can't wait to see what we do with this. And you know, they've released some the Simulet hydraulic ram pieces. I know that company makes aluminum clamps, if you know what I mean. But yeah, super happy with everything. Now this is better. I think this was better than the one we got in July. Tell me if I'm wrong, but I mean, we got a whole lot of blue going on here, and we got a coin and a card, which the coin was hiding inside of the packaging paper. Yeah. Super happy. Again, weight was like 12 pounds something. But yeah, we got some special color wheels. We got some dark earth anodized housing for the dig, which I have not had dig before. I know I already said this already, but it'll be interesting to try this out. I don't think I have a servo on hand that I have that I can use for this, but we can definitely order one and give it a go. Probably like after Christmas time or something. Definitely think we're gonna have to put all these on the optic. But Sparkle livery panels now are blue, so that might be a lot too much blue. But what more can you do? Alrighty. Thank you guys for watching.